Hey guys, PMHK here. Obviously, now if you're new to the channel, welcome. Now, this is my first 16:9 video, long form content. I've been uploading mostly short form content this year. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're an OG, welcome back. I make tech videos every week. So if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you do just that. Also, click the notification bells button to get notified whenever I upload a brand new video. Now, in this video, we're unboxing an Amazon package. This is going to be an Amazon haul, as you guys already saw by the title. Obviously, as you guys can see here, I sort of used MyUS to get this thing to me. And the reason I used them is because I wanted to consolidate some package over them, meaning I accumulated packages over at MyUS suite, and then when I was ready to ship, I got it directly. Some of the packages here don't really ship directly to South Africa, so at the end of the day, you're gonna have to use a forwarding agent to get them. But enough said, let's jump inside this box and check what we have in this Amazon tech haul. All right, so we should have probably around 4 to 5 items inside this box. Some of them I actually don't even remember what they are exactly, but obviously as soon as we start opening, our little memory is going to be jogged. Let me put this thing down here, which is much safer, and we have plenty of space to work with. All right, so first we have this guy here. This is a D7720 desktop microphone stand, on stage stand. It's just a stand. When I mount it together, I'm going to show it to you guys. I wanted a white one, but they didn't have a white one, so I'm probably gonna end up painting this thing. I wanted this stand so I can mount the microphone and I can use when I make my shorts. I'm not gonna be using those kind of microphone for this long form video. I want you guys to actually be able to see me properly, as you guys can see me right now. There we go. This is the stand. This is the metal plate that goes on the bottom, and this guy here would screw in somewhere here, or maybe like this, or maybe like this. Next up, we have some XLR cable. This cable is actually longer than I thought it was going to be. This is a mustard yellow cable. You guys know me and yellow are best friends, so this is what's going to connect from. I'm gonna be connecting it to this device here. So I'm gonna be connecting it down here, and the other part is going to go to the actual mic. Right now I'm connected on the output on this exit 3.5 millimeter jack, but now I'm going to be using the bigger one, probably going to be giving me, or most definitely gonna be giving me a better audio. And then we have the actual mic. This is the Shure MV7 podcast microphone, which I'm not going to be using it for podcast, you guys know. This is for podcasting, home recording, and gaming, USB and XLR. So I'm gonna have the option to connect it via USB or even via XLR. This guy I think cost me around $230 if I remember correctly. For some funny reason, this time the guys from the custom clearance didn't really open my packages, because sometimes they would open to go inside and see if maybe I'm transporting things that I'm not supposed to be transporting, or shipping things I'm not supposed to be shipping. I really don't understand why they have to do that. But this time the guys did not open. So let me show you this microphone, how the guy looks like. I actually also want to make a reel on this guy, so I'm gonna try my best not to damage the packaging, so I can make sort of a ASMR reel. We have some literature, and then you have the actual microphone. It's actually big. This thing is bigger than what I expected. Wow. I decided to go with the silver one. They had also a black version. Am I going to break this? They also had a black version of it and a white version. I almost bought the white version, but I said, nah, too much white. Let me just maybe get a silver one. Let me just unpack it so you guys can see. This is the Shure MV7. As I mentioned, that DSLR cable will go here, and then the other end is going to go to my audio recorder. The smell of a brand new gadget. And next up, most of the stuff we took out of the box so far was to try and improve our audio game. Now this guy here is what's going to help us improve our video game. Yay! I bought a lens finally. Since I bought this camera, the A7 III, I think 2 or 3 years ago, I haven't bought any other lens. I've been using the kit lens. Imagine this quality is coming from a kit lens. Now I finally bought a Tamron 20mm f2.8, and I think it comes with an accessory. This is probably a bag to hold it, I think. Oh, it's a bag full of accessories. Nice. I told you guys I forgot what exactly I had gotten. This is a cleaning kit, and this is sort of a lanyard. This is actually for the actual camera. Nice. And this is looks like a handle from a gun, and these are the accessories. We don't really need this thing. So this is the actual lens. This is my first lens, as I mentioned. It's a Tamron. Tamron as a brand gives you close to the same quality as a Sony lens would have, but at a fraction of the price. This is the lens hood, and you have the lens itself, which I thought it was gonna be smaller than this. Okay, the lens itself. All right, let me unbox this lens quickly. Should I change right now? Okay, we're going to change it maybe on a new video so I don't have to know the process. And also one reason I got this lens is because as much as not a zoom lens, I want to have the camera closer to me than what it is right now, because right now I cannot touch the camera. The other option would have been that 17 to 35 or 17 to 28, if I'm not mistaken. But that one is going for around $700. Locally, that thing goes for 20 grand. Imagine the difference in prices, these people here. So yeah, this is the Tamron 20mm f2.8, which that's why I actually love Sony, because I can use this lens on my full frame camera, and I can actually also use on my APS-C camera. They have the same connector type, which is a plus. Second last, we have this cable here. This is a Lightning to 3.5mm jack cable. I think most of you already know what this thing is for. Do we really need to unbox this thing? We don't. It's a cable, 3.5 to Lightning connector. Put it on the side. It's going to make sense just now why I have that. And last but not least, we have a product from Apple. The mother fathers actually really opened this one. As I mentioned, they like opening things. This is how Apple sends its stuff. But this thing I bought from Amazon, I bought from Apple on Amazon, not directly from Apple United States. So inside the box we have, yes, you guessed it right, we have the AirPod Max with that ugly smart case. And yeah, this is that package that I'm not going to be opening in this video. Unfortunately, I want to make a separate video, and also I want to be able to try them out before I come back. Or I might actually just make a first impressions video. I don't know. It will depend on how I'm going to be feeling. To give you some specs written there: AirPod Max case, Apple sign, and under here we have compatible with iOS, what's or not is the compatibility, and that's basically it on the box. If you guys are looking into buying these things and you're looking into buy it locally, be careful, because there's a lot of non-original Apple AirPods Max being sold. I saw a lot of them already, even on Instagram. I saw some on Facebook Market. I know for a fact that the iStore is the only one allowed even to be selling the original ones, and currently they're out of stock. So Be careful, and also that's one place that I'll actually recommend you guys to go and buy. I got this guy on sale for $350, if not $75. I know it's expensive, but compared to the 12,000 rands locally, which should be around $750 currently, I saved. Alright, so if you want to see an audio quality test of this guy here, the safest place for you guys to go check it out is on Instagram, on my reels, or even my shorts. I think that's the only place I'm going to be using this mic. I'll refrain from using it in this videos because it looks a little bit weird. The lens, you're going to be seeing it from the next video, obviously. And this guy here, I'm still gonna unbox it, maybe try it, and then come back to you guys. Obviously, I want to know from you guys down in the comments what you guys want to know about this guy. And that little guy here is the cable that I think cost me a heavy penny. I think $35. Imagine that's almost 500 rand for that stupid cable. But yeah, this is gonna be it for this comeback video and Amazon haul. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give this video a like. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you do that. Click the notification bells button to get notified whenever I upload a brand new video, and I am going to catch you guys on my next one. Peace